Spooky. Spooky. Oh, the lights are out. Oh well, there's emergency lights, but ooh, spooky.
Nobody cares.
Spooky. Oh, the lights are out. And I got my weather radio with me just in case. Ooh, this is gonna be a separate video. This is not gonna be with them. Weather emergency alert. Also, we have limited mobile data. Actually, I don't think. I don't know. But look at this spooky. All the power is out. I don't like out of focus.
Look at that to the side. Oh, look at that.
Ooh, spooky. Oh, beware of the railroad tracks. Because actually, do the railroad tracks have some sort of do the railroad crossings have some sort of battery?
I don't know.
Because it's gonna, if the train comes here. Although it looks like here they have either they have backup generators or what, but there's no light. There's no like.
Yeah, all these homes are in the light.
I don't have no idea where we're going. I'm gonna have to turn off my weather radio. But look at everything except for these ones. The house has lights, but oh, spooky because everything's now starting to get. Everything starts getting to get foggy. Such spooky, you can't see anything.
No lights, no street lights.
I'm recording in full mode.
So I guess some tree lines already snapping and taking power lines with them.
Yeah. Oh, look at that spooky. It's spooky. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it is really spooky.
And it's foggy.
Yeah, it's spooky and foggy. Oh, it went back to 0 degrees.
This is gonna be pain in the
Oh, yeah, here comes the traffic light.
Nobody's gonna stop here.
Ooh.
Did it stop? No.
Are you gonna stop? Are you gonna stop?
They better, otherwise we're gonna have an accident.
Yeah, and it's actually pretty foggy.
So see, good thing I didn't come this way because there's like 10 intersections there and they don't have power. Still.
Wow. Actually, for this type of videos, I should record in full mode because oh Jesus, lights. Oh, another lights out. Oh.
Gas station not working. Holy, wow, that really got foggy.
Yeah, actually, I actually just realized like everything's gotten foggy.